Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Jillian, if you don't know, and that was Henry, just walked in. We are going to be doing a quick little Jaclyn Cosmetics haul, and there's going to be a lip swatch try on video. That's why I have nothing on my lips right now. So they had a sale. Morphe was running a sale. I don't remember if it was around 4th of July or when it was, but they had a lot of stuff that was like 40% off and stuff like that. So I went ahead and got a few things because I love her liquid lip formula. I love her Bougie Rouge blush palette. I have the warm version already, so I got the cool version. They had that for $18.50 or something like that, and it's a $45 palette. I got a replenishment of something, so we're just gonna dive right into the box and show you what I got. So first up is just a replenishment of her luminous powder in the shade Do Me. So I'm close to being out of the one that I already have, and I absolutely love that powder. So if you've never seen it before, this is what it looks like. There's you guys in there. So there's that. I like to use it as a setting powder all over my face. Sometimes I will go in with a more pore filling one where I want that first, but then I will go over top with the luminous powder, and it doesn't matter if I have a tan on or not, which is currently now. I will use that powder all over my face, even under my eyes, with a beauty sponge, a damp beauty sponge, or a brush. I like to put it on both ways like that. So next thing is the Bougie Rouge palette. This is the cool version. I've already been using it. I'm wearing one of the shades on it today, or from it today. So it has a nice big mirror, which I won't show you because it'll like blind you. And then hopefully it's focusing. There's the shades in the palette. I'll do a quick swatch of all of them for you. Today I'm wearing the shade Fantasy, which is the shade right here. I'll bring it closer. I think how to do this and then still have it show. So starting from over here is the shade Fantasy, and then we have French Kiss, Living Lavish, Forever, Dainty, and then up top here is Admirer. She has way better shades on her social media than I'm giving her, swatches that I'm giving you here, but just so you know. And again, I'm wearing this shade right here on my cheeks today. I just apply it with like a duo fiber brush. They're very pigmented. They last on me all day. I usually don't have a problem with blushes lasting on me, but I love both palettes. I like to mix the shades all up together. I like to, you know, just play around in the palette. I like to wear one at a time. They're fantastic. Love them. If you haven't tried them, I highly recommend. And then the last few things I got are a whole bunch of nude liquid lips, and I got her liquid lip remover. So we're going to try that out. I'm gonna get these swatches off my hand before I get them all over my white t-shirt. Okay, so I already have a whole bunch of her liquid lips. I thought about trying her liners because I know they get really good reviews, but I really like the Morphe liners, and those are $6. So her liners I think were on sale for $8 that day, but I have enough lip liner right now. I didn't need to buy more. So I got Crabby, Outspoken, Truth, and I'm a Cancer. Let's see if I can get this to focus. Maybe. I'm using cinematic mode on my phone, and it doesn't always like to focus where I want it to focus. So we'll start with the lightest one, and that's in the shade Truth. So if you've never seen her packaging, that's what it looks like for her regular line. Sometimes she will do like limited edition or special edition stuff. I'm not going to go in with a lip liner or anything right now. I'm just going to go straight in. I like to do my bottom lip first and then like that. And then I'll do the Cupid's bow, and I'm not going to overline right now either. Because I do have somewhere to be today, so I don't want to have to like redo around my mouth for my makeup. So, but this is the shade in Truth. And again, this is what that looks like. Okay, now we're going to try the liquid lip remover. Granted, this hasn't completely dried down yet, but it's almost dried down. It says it leaves lips clean yet nourished, so usually I will use a makeup wipe or something like that to take off a liquid lip. I don't do a lot of lip swatches on here, but so it's just the cap pops off, and there's just another little cap on top. And it's just a clear balm. I should have thought this through and got a Kleenex, honestly. I'm gonna go grab a piece of paper. Just got some toilet tissue here. I'm not trying to get too close to the outside edges, but that did a really good job of removing the lipstick. So far I really like that. That shade looks like. This is really pretty. This reminds me of a shade from the Balm. I think it was Committed. I'm pretty sure it was Committed. Kind of reminds me of that shade. This is more of like a rosy nude. Not pink, but it does have a hint of rose to it, like maybe terracotta. So this is in the shade Outspoken. It's not, if you've never tried these, they're not like a thick moussey formula, but they're not super watery. It's just, I love this formula, and I think they had these for 10 bucks that day, so that's why I grabbed 4. This was more like a slim crayon type of a situation. It'd be easier to get more precise around your lip line, but that would be my only critique. I did the same thing I did the last time. So it does get everything off of my lips, so I do like that. Next we'll go in with I'm a Cancer. I'm not going to mess with the focusing on this for these things. That's what that one looks like in the tube. I do clean a little bit off of the end of the doe foot just so it's not overloaded. I'm kind of messy, so I really like this nude color to look great with a darker lip liner. So again, this is the shade I'm a Cancer. Okay, and then the last one is Krabby. This is like a deeper version of, what was it, Outspoken? I really like this shade. I'm excited to see what these all look like when I have a fake tan on, because you know everything looks different. The different skin tones, so this is the shade Krabby. So that is it for my Jaclyn Cosmetics video. If you want to see, here, I'll just show you, because it's right here. A side-by-side comparison of the warm and the cool blush palettes. I can show you that. I'm not going to do swatches, but I will show you the palettes next to one another. So, cover my entire face. There we go. So the warm one's on the top, cool one is on the bottom, just in case. I love them. I love them both. I love the shade. I love these blush palettes. This is almost all I've been using since I got this one a couple months ago. I can't remember. It's been a while. This has almost been the only one I've been using. And then since I've got this, the only one I've been using, because I really like, in the summer, like a bright pink cheek with, like, you know, it just seems like fresh to me. So I also really like the orange. I love them. I can't choose which one I like better, but I can tell you I've been enjoying these over all the other blushes I have in this giant blush drawer over here. So anyway, that is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already. And until next time, bye.